Something nice and easy we can do for the form there, we can just take a photo, like a screenshot, and we can add it to the context. And then we can even find the component by searching the keyword, this one, create a new project, or that's a backend, that one. So project is a component, and we ensure that we highlight this, and please don't use dark color for the fields, for the background fields. So this is a bonus video. As you can see, we were part 1, part 2, part 3, and this special bonus video where I am at McDonald's, and I wanted to share with you, the following, because I believe it's important for you to have the whole entire journey, isn't it? So now we can submit, enter, and we will have a fix for that. And that will be really nice, because this way we will be able to run everything nicely. I will close that window, I will close that window too. That's the current window. I will close that window too. Oh yes, that's a Streamlit dashboard, I don't need it anymore. I'm closing that window. Perfect. So we just clean up a little bit. Alright, so apparently it's done now. Let's see the div. Simple div. Or BT, BT white with Tailwind. The CSS class, it only did that change to change the CSS class to BT white for having a background white. And it's funny because before I was using a lot styled components, and I teach style components in my Udemy course. In that one, in that course, I teach you how you can use styled components. The McDonald's internet is a little bit slow, so we have to wait. And that's style components. And that's BT white. Tailwind. BT white. Yeah. Here we are. So, and there I teach you how you can use and implement style components. So feel free to enroll the course. I'm sure you will learn a lot in this course. Alright, so now what I need to do, I need to test with a few div. Yeah. It changed for each field, which is nice. Yes, what about for the login? That should be okay, because let's go to the browser. Now if I do, you see, now it looks so much better, and the border is blue now and not gray that it used to be. And no border. Yeah, I really like this version. If I sign out here too, so I don't want that. So please apply the same for all fields, for all form fields. Perfect. So it will be consistent across all forms. Okie dokie. Let's see where. Oh yeah, that will be better. Oh nice. Perfect. So that sounds good. How do we? Oh yeah, but we don't see what we write, so it needs to be fixed. Please ensure that the text is the opposite color of the background, otherwise it will be impossible to see the text written on the fields. And that will be our next prompt. And to register also for all fields. So for all for all form fields. All right. And I submit this one, this prompt. Perfect. So we are nearly there. Looks really, really good. But yeah, I need to wait because the text is white. So let's wait so it will be like a darker color. Alright. Yeah, it's a little bit slow now. It's have a break as well, have a coffee. In my case, it's a bit cold outside, so having a warm coffee, it's good. I like it. It's very important, for warming up yourself. Alright, it's very slow. But that's okay. I will keep recording anyway, so you don't miss anything. Yeah, Tailwind. It's funny because it started, like I remember, back in 2015, 2013, and now it's so big. Yeah, he's awesome. Like I enrolled a course. It was a Laravel course from him, PHP Laravel. I was already doing a lot of PHP projects, and I was building my CMS at that time. But Laravel, I didn't know too much. I was more a Symfony software engineer at that time. And actually, PS7, the very first version was based on Symfony 1. And then I rewrite everything to have everything custom. Only Smarty, I kept Smarty for the installer because Symfony 1, they didn't have a template language. And so usually with Symfony 1, you would use Smarty. And then from Symfony 2, they introduced Twig, template, engine. I haven't used Twig for quite some time now. Yeah, and that's PS7 CMS. Twig, I wonder how Twig is doing these days. Are they still releasing a lot of versions or not? Wonder. It's just a little bit slow due to the internet connection, but it's getting there. So Twig. And I really like Twig too. In my case with PS7 CMS, only the installer is still using Symfony Smarty, but everything else is my own template language syntax that is very kind of similar to Smarty in a way. So Twig, yeah, last week, really nice, very good, new version, Twig. And then, yeah, Smarty, I don't think it's still much alive anymore. Smarty was created by one of the founders of PHP. I mean, it was really strong. Zend framework too. Oh, yeah. Smarty. I remember there was a major version between 2 and 3. So when they released the version 3, it was like huge. And you had to learning Smarty was like, wow, you know Smarty. It was good to mention on your CV, I know Smarty. It's funny thinking about it now, like, but yeah, Smarty was like, you are a designer, you know Smarty, amazing. Well, that was like back in the days, back in 2008. Alright, we can commit this. We have that. Okie dokie. I'll close the tabs. I will open again Connect. You see now it's so much better. Looks very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright. PS7, PS7.me, PS7. Perfect. Looks good. Yeah, this now you see this version looks so much better. Yeah, looks very good. Only this, that's a little bit weird. This sounds like there's a problem with when we open the model. Let's add this. I wonder why we have that. I will include that. Open file and folder. I will go to my desktop to drag and drop the screenshot here. I will add this when model is opened. Look at the dark weird background. I'm not sure if it will get it. I could have mentioned where the arrow is. Yeah, that looks a bit weird. Alright. Oh yeah, I think it understood correctly. That's good. Alright. Perfect. I will commit already. I will also commit that. That was a previous commit. Yeah. And let's see here. Yes. So I'm sure it will be fixed, the problem, which is a good news. Let's refresh. Oh, maybe it's not fixed actually. But now, oh, when I click outside of the box, outside of the model, I can close it now. That's nice. I think we will finish it here. It's like minor improvements, minor enhancements. As you can see, we have done a good job. We have done a really good and nice and clean improvement there. And our application, our beautiful audience and attention measurement tool looks really good. Alright. Yeah. I will take a photo of this session, some souvenir of the code. Lovely. You see, this is what we have done. Amazing, isn't it? Like it. Yeah. Really nice. Alright, let's wait. Here we are. Internet too slow, but now we are all done, and that's beautiful. So this was finished. Light up account to the clean. I set a commit to, so we have this commit for the div. Perfect. Really good. Yeah, we are all done. I will commit to that. I will push the code, and congratulations, we have done a really nice project. This is beautiful, so you can be proud of yourself. Don't hesitate to fork the project, to create a similar project, to raise a pull request on the project as well. And I will show you one more time where you can find it. So if I go get remote V in efficient tools organization, I will go in Safari, github.com/efficient-tools/audience-attention-measurement-system, no S. And my GitHub is ph7/ph-7. So github.com/ph-7. And here, oh, it's because I need to make the project public. Now it's still private, and that's why you cannot see it. I thought I was logged in. Oh yeah, no. I think I probably logged out. So you will see it. The address is correct. It's only that now it's still private, the repo on GitHub, so you will see very 4.4. But it will not be the case when you will watch this video, because I will make the project public. And then that's my GitHub. Feel free to have a look if you are interested to similar projects. And I wish you a beautiful AI coding journey. Bye bye.